Welcome to Beltsmart's video guide on the use of the RSC187 tool. In this video, we will review the different models of RSC187, show the different support tools, explain how to contact us for support, and provide the manufacturer's installation instructions. Please watch our video entitled Choosing the Correct RS Ready Set Lace for Your Belting. There are 3 types, and each are designed to meet specific tolerances for the longest life and performance. This video is for the installation of RS62, RS125, and RS187 style of lace. Each guide block installs 2 staples simultaneously for fast, simple splicing. 2 staples are approximately 2 inches. When you want to attach more staples at a time, for wider belts, simply add more guide blocks by choosing a wider machine. The RSC187 tools are available in 5 different widths as listed in the chart. An example of the first 3 tools are pictured. Our most popular model is the RSC187-4. Additional tooling that complements the RSC187 tool are the Quad Stapler ST6-9, the Rough Top Belt Skiver RTBS, Belt Nippers Part Number BN-1, and the Belt Grinder RB-1. Also available are the RSTK4 kits. These kits include the assembly tool, as well as the staple final set plate, hand skiver, belt marker, belt nippers, and a 1-pound hammer. The RSTK4-6 includes the 3-block 6-inch tool, and the RSTK4-12 includes the 6-block 12-inch version of the tool. For wholesale support and pricing, please set up a free business-to-business wholesale account, which only takes moments. Most businesses qualify. Direct any questions on use or requests for quote to support at murdochindustrial.com. Beltsmart is a website of Murdoch Industrial Inc., which is an authorized wholesale distributor. The manufacturer provides the following video on installation of the RSC187 tooling. Please watch, and if you have any questions, be sure to contact us. Thank you.
Confirm the correct side of the comb is being used. Note the size you are installing should not be visible. Depress the clamp bar. Turn the cam levers counterclockwise and remove all the cam levers, guide blocks, and combs. If needed, rotate the comb to the correct fastener size you will be installing. The fastener size and the comb size should match accordingly. Center the fastener strip, equal distance from the belt ends. Raise the cam levers to the upright position. With the belt installed, place the fastener in the tool, making sure the belt end is tight against the fastener. To adjust the clamping pressure, turn the cam lever handle counterclockwise to loosen or clockwise to tighten as necessary. The cam lever should have some resistance but not be forced down. Position the staple driver in the applicator tool. Starting with the center fastener plates, strike the staple driver using a 1-pound hammer. Follow the sequence shown in the IOM to drive the remaining fasteners. Use the ejector bar to release the belt from the tool. Set the fastener strip flat on the ST28 setting plate. Strike the top side of the fasteners and staples using firm hammer blows. Move back and forth across the fastener strip until the staples clinch and proper fastener pucker is achieved. Be sure to avoid hitting the fastener loops. Using belt nippers, notch only the trailing edge of the belt at approximately a 45-degree angle. Bring both belt ends together and insert a hinge pin. Crimp the retaining washer with pliers on both ends.